Jim Corbett National Park is the first national park of India. Made in 1936 as Haley National Park, named after Sir Malcolm Haley, the governor of United Provinces, it was then renamed as Ram Ganga National Park. Finally renamed after the legendary hunter-turned-conservationist, photographer, and author Edward Jim Corbett in 1955 as a tribute to him after his demise. It is nestled between the outer foothills of the Himalayas, the Shivalik Hills, and the north of the Indo-Gangetic Plain in the Terai region. The adjacent Sona Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary and Reserve Forest, along with Jim Corbett National Park, constitute the Corbett Tiger Reserve. The park is spread over 521 square kilometers. The total area of Corbett Tiger Reserve is 1288 square kilometers. Jim Corbett is one of the few parks in India which permits to stay overnight in the forest rest houses inside the national park. These forest rest houses were built over 100 years back during the British Raj times. The officers and the staff stayed here during their work in the forest. Situated deep in the heart of the forest, the location of these forest rest houses is simply exquisite. The air here is crisp and laden with all the sweet scents that are to be smelt in an Indian jungle. During the morning, it goes to the head like champagne. This national park has been divided into 6 ecotourism zones: Dhikala, Bijrani, Jhirna, Sona Nadi, Durga Devi and Dhela. The most famous denizens of this forest are the Bengal tiger and the Asiatic elephant. The most visible trees found in Corbett are Sal, Sissu and Khair. Many other species that contribute to the diversity are found scattered throughout the park. Chal pine is the only conifer of the park and is found on ridgetops. Palms include date palm that grows in open areas. Kanju, Jamun and Amla are found scattered moist areas. Other major tree species are Bil, Kusum, Mahua, Bakli. Flowering trees lend color to the forests in Corbett. The main ones are Kachnar, with pink to white flowers, Simil with big red blooms, Dhak, or flame of the forest, with bright orange flowers, Madar, or Indian coral with scarlet red flowers, and Amalthas with bright yellow chandelier-like blooms. Grasses form the largest group of plant species in Corbett, with more than 70 species recorded. They occupy different habitats, especially choice. In some parts of Corbett, the vegetation is dominated by bamboo forest. The main species is male bamboo. Shrubs dominate the forest floor. There are several species of bear found in open areas that provide food and habitat to many birds and animals. Merafali is an easily noticeable shrub. Its fruits are in the form of twisted spiraling ponds. Karonda with pinkish white flowers and soft fruit is found under sal. Hisar has yellow, juicy, berry-like fruits that are savored by animals. Jhau is found along the Ramganga basin on sandy or rocky soil. India is home to close to 1300 species of birds, out of which almost 550 species can be found in and around Jim Corbett National Park. The reason for this diversity in bird species is simply the variety of habitat that exists here. From woodlands to grasslands, to river beds to Himalayan foothill vegetation. At Jim Corbett National Park, summers are the best time for jungle safari to investigate natural life with your naked eyes when you drive through the insides of a wilderness in a jeep, as the chances of witnessing the animals are high during summers. These jungle safari visits can likewise be embraced on an elephant. At the end of the day, you take after the forest track to get a look at the creatures and the way they survive in the forest. The solid wilderness, the wildlife havens of India, are a veritable fortune plays of various assortments of widely varied flora and fauna. From indigenous plants to types of endemic creatures, there is a considerable measure to find in these fascinating biological communities.